Hello, Duke Dogs. You are in the kitchen with Miss Jo, and we are going to learn some new things today about water, but part of it's going to be about everything in the world. But let's review first. I made a poster here about bodies of water. Remember, we learned about streams and creeks and rivers. Rivers are just a big stream or creek. Rivers and creeks and streams flow, and they have a current that goes in one direction. And have you noticed that all rivers, creeks, and streams run downhill? Because gravity pulls it down. But sometimes the rivers, creeks, and streams flow into a pond or lake that is a still body of water where lots of awesome creatures and plants can live. And if we get really, really, really lucky, we get to go to the beach and see the ocean. The ocean is the biggest body of water that there is. And most of Earth, most of our planet is oceans. All right, Duke Dogs, we are going to learn some very sciencey words today. The first one is the word matter. Have you ever heard anybody say matter? Usually we say things like, oh, it doesn't matter, or it will matter if we do something or if something happens. But this is a different way to use the word matter. Matter just means stuff, because everything in the whole universe is made of matter. You know that not long ago I said everything's made of molecules? Everything is made of molecules. All matter is made of molecules. So, if everything is made of matter, and there are all different kinds of things, there has to be different kinds of matter, right? There are solids, like a brick is solid. You can't pour it. You can't drink it. It's solid. A solid is made of molecules that won't move. Matter can also be a liquid. A liquid. Can you pour water? Yes, it's a liquid. Can you pour orange juice? Yes, it's a liquid. What's another liquid you know of? Yes, that's a liquid too. The most unusual form of matter is gas. And I put a picture of a balloon because balloons are full of gas. Whether it's the kind you buy at the store that will float away if you let it go, or whether it's one that you blow up with air. It's full of gas. You know what that means? That the air that comes out of your mouth is a gas. Now, that doesn't mean you can fill your car full of your breath and drive somewhere. No. It just means that gas, when we use it about matter, it's like air. We can't really see it. I want to show you something else. Duke Dogs, you are watching gas being made. Look at what is coming out of that pan. Well, what's in that pan? Water. It's boiling, and all those molecules got so hot and energetic that they started coming up out of the pan. And all that, we call it steam. Oh, I don't want to burn my hand, but if I put my hand there, it feels wet because that steam is full of water droplets. But that steam is water in a gas form. You're looking at a gas made from water that's boiling. Super hot molecules jumping around, floating up. Oh, here's another form of water. It's a liquid. So we did gas, we have liquid. Well, can water be a solid? Ice. Duke Dogs, did you know that water can be in 3 different kinds of matter? It can be a solid, ice. It can be a liquid, water, and it can be a gas, steam. Whoa! Hey, Duke Dogs, did you know that liquid is magic? It's not really magic, but it has a scientific property. A property is just something it can do. It has a scientific property that it will take the shape of whatever it's poured into. So if I say I can make water round, guess what? All I need is a round container. Is that round? That is round. I am going to turn this water into a round shape. Now I have a round shape of water. What if I said I can turn this water into a square shape? Is that square? Yep. I am going to magically turn this water into a square shape. Ta-da! What if I said I can turn this water into a flat shape? It's flat. What if I said I can turn this red water into a tall, narrow shape? Am I magic? Nope. It is just the very cool property of liquid that you can pour it and it takes the shape of the container that you pour it in. Duke Dogs, I hope you will try this at home, and I am going to do something else. Since I have all these containers here, I'm going to pour some liquid. Got some yellow. Got some blue. If you pour water into glass containers, ooh, I even have water in this metal pan. I'm going to see if I can make some music with the water in the different containers. Get a good dinger. Ding, 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 ding. I'm going to use a spoon. You can maybe make up a song you can put in the art show.